Okay, downstroke picking. I have my guitar pick right here. Okay, I'm gonna grab the E string, and then I'm going to take my pinky and then my ring finger and then my second finger. I just kind of have those resting here like this. Just like I'm like brushing away something. Like if I get something on my leg, I'm just brushing away. Same type of thing. See how the pick just runs right across the picks? The picks just runs right across the strings. That's called a downstroke. So I push down with my pick. Down, down, down. Down picking. How about we count to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's double time that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down picking. String mute.